Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to understand about passive income. Passive income basically means a source of income where your involvement or your active work is zero or very negligible. Today the word passive income is spreading like anything. You might have heard the word several times from your peers. As we know that a person can't become hugely rich just from his single active income, because our expenses is increasing day by day. The inflation is increasing, the price of surrounding goods is increasing. It becomes a necessity to have some passive source of income so that we can encounter our expenses, and so that we can retire early from our jobs. I have seen many people having huge passive source of income, and then eventually what happened, they quit their job and they start doing the things which they like doing. Passive source of income has become one of the dream of many youngsters, because here you don't need to put your 100%, because you will earn money while you are sleeping. Once you generate your passive source of income, then afterwards your effort is very negligible. Rarely you have to put some effort. Now I will talk about how to generate passive source of income. So there are mainly two ways in which you can generate passive source of income. The first way is you must have huge amount of money. Suppose you have huge amount of money, then you buy some house or buildings, and then you rent them. Then you will earn the monthly rental incomes. Then this will become your one of the passive source of income. Again, suppose if you have a huge amount of money, then what happen, you invest those money in real estates, and after 2 to 3 years the price of your real estate becomes 2 to 3 times, and eventually you will earn 2 to 3 times the money you have invested. Again, if you have more money, then you analyze some stock, you understand the business, then you invest in those stocks. Suppose you have bought the stock at 100 rupees, and after 10 years it becomes 1000 rupees, then eventually you will earn 10 times the investment which you have made. So these are the source of income which you can make if you have a huge amount of money, or if you have a sufficient amount of money. Now I will talk about the other ways in which you can make passive source of income. In the other way, you don't need to have a huge amount of money. Here simply you have to be a hard worker, or you have to use your time. Like if you are writing a book, initially you have to do very hard work. Initially you have to get so much knowledge to write the book. Then you have to write those knowledge in a creative way, so that people like your books. Other example, like if you make some products, or if you make some applications, initially you have to put a lot of hard work, because to making an applications it requires high coding skills. So initially you have to learn the coding skills, then you have to master the coding skill, apply those skills to make some useful applications, so that people use those applications, and you will earn money out of it. So the final question is, how much money can be made from passive source of income? Can you guess how much money can be made passive source of income? Please mention in the comment section. According to me, there can be no limit to make a passive source of income, but the thing is that you won't become super rich overnight. In passive source of income, it takes time and it takes hard work. If you have huge money, then also you can't become super rich overnight, unless you are gambling your money in somewhere, and luckily you own and you become super rich overnight. But this doesn't happen in passive income. In passive income, you must have the patience, and you must be hard work, and you must analyze those source of income initially, before you investing your hard-earned money, so that your principal amount doesn't get wasted. So this is all about today. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel, and if you enjoy the video, please like the video.